Okay, welcome to my channel. This video is going to be about Tekton and Knipex, or Knipex, however you want to say it. So let's get the camera turned around and get into it. Alright, as you can see, I got some Tekton sockets. I just ordered a bunch of, singles to fill in spots in my toolbox that, that skip sizes. So this is going to fill in some, and I'll put them in the toolbox and show you that this is them in the packages. I'm going to get them out of the package here in a minute. And I ordered them from Tekton. If you order them from Tekton instead of Amazon, you get 10% back on your next order, or 10% on off your next order. That's pretty cool. Also, I got these TwinGrip pliers from Knipex. Let me get everything out of the package and show you. Also, I have this brand. What is it? Engineer from Japan. Kind of looks like the same people that makes the vampires, but let me get everything out of the pack. I got these for to use as flush cuts for zip ties. I guess they'll work. Let me get everything out of the packages and I'll show you. First, let me show you that there's a few sizes skipped here on the 12 point and the 6 point, and some other stuff skipped. There's one there that skipped. And let me look. I think there's some here that skipped, or that's missing. I don't have. I think that's about it on the standard side. The SAE side, whatever you want to call it. And on the metric side, there's a few skipping, or missed sizes because the brand skipped sizes. Don't know if I'll ever use them all. The ones that's the 20, 23, 25 that's skipped. But it irritates the crap out of me to look in here and see that, because it makes me think I have sockets missing. So I fill them in, as you can see. Anyway, let's get back over there to the table and get those packages open and show you a little closer up. Alright, here they are out of the packages. I don't know if you can see close enough. That's the SAE ones I got. Here's the 6 point. That's the sizes I was missing. I don't think they had the 25 and the 12 point, deep or shallow. Is the reason I didn't get it, but I still need it. I think that and a 1/4 inch, I think, is the only 2 or 3 sockets I have left that I got to get. Here's the twin grips. These pliers, they're a kind of weird angle, but I guess they'll work as flush cuts. We'll see here in a minute. Then there's the Knipex. The twin grips. Let me see if I can get the camera set up where I can set it down and show you a little more. Okay, let me see if I can show you a little better on these pliers. First of all, remember I have merch. Don't feel like you have to get any, but if you do, I appreciate it. It helps support the channel and bring you more tools for me to review and things like that, because this stuff's not cheap. Everybody knows that. Anyway, cheers. Man, I love coffee. Anyway, now these, I'm sure people's heard of these before. I think even one of the other channels has done reviews on these Japanese pliers. I'm not going to mention any names because, you know, whatever. But anyway, they're pretty sharp. I'm gonna try on this little small zip tie. It says it's for wire. It don't really mention that it's for zip ties for flush cuts, but they should work fine. Let's see. It is at a weird angle, but the test wasn't to see if it would cut it too much. It was to see if it would be flush, and it is. That's pretty cool. Let's try it on a little bit bigger one, bigger zip tie. Like I said, if you go in here like that, you're going to be crooked, so you got to lift it up, you know, even. Oops, that went around behind the toolbox or the table. But even that's pretty flush. It's got a little bit right there where I was crooked on it. Instead of doing that, let's do it again. I don't know, for some reason on these bigger ones it don't want to sit flat. Hold it that way it don't fly away again. Yeah, that's flush. That's pretty cool. That's going to work out good. The other flush cuts I had a long time ago, they messed up. I think I cut something too big for them and they broke. So I just threw them away. I didn't even think about warranty at the time. But anyway, I don't even know if these have a warranty or not. I thought they're spring loaded. I thought this was supposed to be a thing to slide to hold them shut, but it's not. You got to adjust it. Looks like with an Allen, you slide it to how far open you want the jaws to open, which is kind of stupid, really, but whatever. Anyway, that's those Knipex, the TwinGrips. Can you see that? I hope you can see that with the light. Blur out the background, hopefully. Anyway, they are not just that size, which when I bought them, I thought they was. I didn't know they adjusted. They adjust. Just like the Cobra pliers. They'll go up into that big. That's freaking awesome right there. Now, these wasn't cheap. I got these in the flush cuts on Amazon. I think the flush cuts was 20. Can't remember. I think they was $20 or 20-ish, something like that. These was 49. These were pretty expensive. I've seen them other places since I ordered these from Amazon. I've seen these for 40. So that kind of sucks that I paid $9 more for them than I should have. Should have did a little more research and just hurrying up and ordering them on Amazon, right? But anyway, I got them, so can't cry about it now. These are awesome. Now these are almost like the vampire pliers. Pliers from Vampire Tools. I don't know if they're as good with them being Knipex. I'm sure they are, but we'll see. Anyway, let's get over to the toolbox and put these sockets in place and show you that. Okay, I got them in the toolbox here. This is my plier drawer. Everybody's seen this. If you haven't, go watch my toolbox tour. Anyway, here is the new addition, the Knipex or Knipex, next to the Pliers, and then there is the flush cuts. Had to turn those upside down, the blue handle channel locks, and scoot everything over to get these to fit, because as you see, I'm running out of room, or I'm out of room. Now if this drawer was deep enough I could stand them up, and have a lot of room probably, but it ain't deep enough. And I don't know if I like them standing up or not. The only bad thing about them laying down, let me see if I can grab a pair. And the wrenches do the same thing. You see how they rust from laying on the drawer liner? I don't know why they do that. It don't matter what brand it is, they all do it. Knipex, here's a pair of Knipex cutters. You see? They do it too. Those was Mac from Mac. Channel lock. You see? They do it too. And I don't know why they do that. Anyway, let's get up here to the socket drawer. Again. And if you haven't seen this, then go watch my toolbox tour. Anyway, here's the rail that I just added those onto. You see, those have been used. Those are old as crap. They don't really fit this socket rail all that good. I don't know why. This is just a generic brand of sockets. I don't even know. Maybe I got them with a long time ago with a Campbell Housfield, however you say that, impact. Because there's no name on them, it's just Taiwan. But they've been good sockets. I haven't broke any. It's just missing the 1/4 inch right there, so I still need it. But other than that, the standard or SAE side is full. I take that back. I still need a 5/8 1/4 inch deep and shallow. Don't know where to get that from. In 12 point. I got it in 6 point. Anyway, here's the other sockets that's filled in. These here. These. And those. But as you can see, I still need the 25 deep 12 point. And technically I need those because those are chrome, not impact, but I don't know if I'm going to worry about getting them or not. Probably could get them from Tekton. I probably won't even worry about it though. I don't know why that set was missing and this set wasn't. Let's see, the 16. Okay, well the set was. Because the rest of them are, these are unfortunately Pittsburgh sockets. And this one, those two there are Tekton. I don't know if you can see that or not, but those are from Tekton. So I did get them to fill in. These was missing too. But I had them in chrome, so I just stuck them back there. That's going to be good enough for now, I guess. But all the rest of them are filled in. A crap load of sockets. Anyway, I thought you might want to see that. Uh-oh. Guess what? There's my coffee again. Hold on. Excuse the mess on the hutch. Okay. Now also, I did a garage / shop tour, showing you everything. I'm not gonna go through everything and show it again. I'm not gonna make a special video out of it just because I moved my toolbox, but I am gonna show you in this, so this would be like a bonus. Over here, this cabinet was over here. My red toolbox was over here. Okay, as I was saying, the red toolbox was over here, or actually it was over here on this side, and the cabinet was over here, and it wasn't lined up even with the shelves, and it just looked out of place. It didn't look right to me, so I moved it. Moved the cabinet over here and put the shelves that was over there where the toolbox is at right here. I think this looks a whole lot better. Back up a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. I think this looks better. Still got to do a video on that vacuum cleaner. Anyway, don't get dizzy. Sorry about the fast movement. There is the red toolbox. I moved it over here next to the black toolbox, and now everything is straight. And those shelves that's over there was right here. I think this looks a lot better now, like this. Still got to do a video on the Super Clean products that they sent me to review, and the big wipes. Move my hand out of the way so it'll focus. And the big wipes. I just haven't had a chance to. I have used the big wipe some. I'll leave that for the video. But I haven't had anything to clean yet with the Super Clean, so I haven't had an opportunity to use the products yet. So I can't speak on them as of yet, but I will soon. I just hope they don't think I've forgotten about them. I haven't. I just haven't had anything to use the product on yet. Anyway, I just thought y'all would like to see the sockets and all, and fill it in the empty spots. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.